everyone, it's Alyssa, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a waterfall braid. The skills needed for this braid are just a simple French braid. As always, make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin by splitting a small section of hair into 3 equal parts. We will begin this like a normal French braid, bringing the end strands over the middle. As you begin the second stitch, you will release the strand closest to your scalp. Now let's add in a new small strand of hair and bring the end strands over the middle ones. Each time you add a section of hair, you will complete 1 full stitch, bringing each end strand over and under. Please note that this is not the only way to do a waterfall braid. Watch for another version of this braid soon. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out all my photos on Instagram for more braid inspiration and the other videos on my channel for more hair tutorials. Hi everyone, thank you so much for checking out my video at Braids by Alyssa. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new tutorials, and check out all my other social media platforms located in the description below.